Singapore is known as a bustling metropolis. It also happens to be one of the cleanest and the safest cities of its size in the world. I shifted to Singapore back in July this year. I've always had a sense of adventure and a passion to explore as a kid. This passion has made shifting to Singapore an amazing experience because I've had a chance to be able to soak in a new environment, something completely different from back home in India. The exposure to new cultures, the food, the way of life has been a good change as Singapore is a far cry from any other city. The city in a garden, as they say, is known for its shopping malls, celebrity chef restaurants, and exceptional attractions. But one thing that I was extremely excited about was my trip to the Jorong Bird Park. Jorong Bird Park is open every day of the year from 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Nearest MRT is on East-West Green Line and a connecting bus from Boon Lay can also be taken. Tickets can be bought online or at arrival. As soon as I reached the park, I found myself in a sea of like minded people and felt as if I was hit by a wave of enthusiasm from them. It was a good sight to see many families, photographers, and bird watchers that were waiting to buy tickets to enter the park. I was not deterred by the long queue to buy tickets and was pleased with the fast service. Whether it is the birds of prey exhibit, which shows eagles and falcons soaring above, the pigeon exhibition with more than 200 penguins and multiple species, or the insightful realm of flightless birds, one of the enjoyable qualities of the park is that many of the exhibits are as educational as they are visually stimulating. The High Flyer show, featuring an exhilarating lineup of the bird stars and new talents. It's a high altitude, free flying performance that will leave anyone marveling at the amazing natural talents, beauty, and intelligence of our feathered friends from around the world. Parrots go beak to beak in a race against time to display their speed and agility and be awed by their dramatic flybys. The fun continues after the grand finale, where one can join and take photographs with the beautiful flamingos. Witness the heat of the hunt at Jorong Bird Park's Kings of the Skies show that will leave you in awe and amazement. Catch the dynamic raptors in action as they demonstrate what they are born to do. Be captivated by the strength and agility of these amazing raptors, including the white-tailed sea eagle, the hooded vulture, and the Harris hawk. Meet the parade of the toilet friends, the Malay fish owl, the Eurasian eagle owl, and the spotted wood owl. When you lunch with parrots, one can expect to be out-talked. You can also expect to have a great spread of food and a buffet of hearty laughs while colorful personalities and their trainers demonstrate to you that birds are beauties with brains. By the end of the day, when you're hungry, there are many dining options at Jorong Bird Park, like Bongo Burgers, Hog Cafe, and Ben and Jerry's. The landscape wonderment of the park is spectacular, and there is a little reason as to why one should skip on it. Jorong Bird Parks has been granted many awards over the years for its excellent exhibit of bird species and shows. The website is detailed and helps plan a good trip. My recommendation would be to start early in the day to get a total experience of the bird park.